Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nah, uh, now aku pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Oke, sekarang saya yang membuat tutorial cara menaruh temperatur di microbit. Kan tadi saya baru buat cara membuat cahaya kan. Nanti saya bakal ajarin kayak gini, ini kalau digerakin sih kanan ini. Terus kalau dipencet kayak gini, jadi A gini, B gini, C. Jadi ini double click ya. Tapi itu buat next time. And now like usual share screen in here. And you can see on start and forever, right? And we go to maybe it's just like very simple, like what name that before video now. And we are go to basic on start. Well, here you can however you wanna take one. I take anything. Uh, if I show steering, showing steering, maybe live, live, no live, live, nah, live is like in forever. Ako in forever, you go to input, and here I have a basic input, more music, LED, radio, loose, logic, portable, mass, expense. Maybe I will uh, try your name music, but now we are in input. And in input, we download and search the temperature. But you ask why the temperature like this, and it cannot in here, right? And you go to here and show string again. But if you already go to here, you can double click in here and you duplicate, okay, duplicate, and here forever and show storing, and you go to temperature to here and show storing temperature, and now we are play live in this 21 Celsius. Okay, if you have a search string link on this, you can search in before video. Okay, and but you in here don't have a temperature, right? It have very important, and don't never forget that about this. The first you search download. Okay, just click download and waiting in turn off. And if turn off, wait a minute, I close my tab. Okay, it's live, right? And 21 to is I cannot write that. 25. Oh, it's I don't know, but it's Celsius. Okay, and you can see you must this, and I teach here is not microbit version 1, but it's version 2. Okay, and here microbit version 2. Okay, and you must have this too, microbit, but if you want tutorial more, Maybe I make more kan. Oke. Nah, yang mau back to you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh, akhirnya stop sharing. Bye bye.